Hey, what's up? Today I want to talk about the CJRB Cutlery Pocket Knife. This is the Mica J1934. This is the model. So this knife was sent to me so I can test it out. So let's start talking about the most important thing, and it's the steel blade. This is a durable AR RPM9 steel blade. So it has a couple of things that I really love. One, it is rust proof since it has a durable and high corrosion resistance. And the other thing that I think it's really important in a knife, it's that it has an excellent edge retention. So I have tested out in some outdoor situations and the results had been really good. The other thing I love for this knife compared to my other knives, it's the size. So this is a really small EDC or everyday carry knife with a black anodized aluminum handle. This makes it very lightweight, portable, and it also provides a personalized look if you want to select the color. In my case, I have the black one. I think it's really sober, it looks really cool. I think it's a good balance between size and performance. So if you're looking for an EDC knife, this is a great option. As I was saying, I've been carrying this not for a long time, but I'm really enjoying this knife. Kudos for CJRB Cutlery Pocket Knives.